Meet Alex, a cool, hardworking guy with an extraordinary aspirations. Struggling with 9 to 5? Like many of us, Alex struggles with the daily grind of a 9 to 5 job.
Wow!
But one day, Alex stumbles upon a side hustle idea that changes everything. It's the ATM business. Imagine earning a few $1,000s a month working just part-time. Intrigued, Alex decides to learn more and finds a comprehensive guide on Amazon. With the help of this book, Alex starts and grows a successful ATM business, achieving the financial freedom they dreamed of. Ready to start your own journey? Get your copy of How to Start and Grow an ATM Business on Amazon today and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't just dream it, do it. Your side hustle awaits.